Hi everyone and welcome back. Ever feel that your bank account is emptier than your water bottle after a long exam session? Fear not, fellow students. Today we are going to drop knowledge bombs on how to make money online without investment. Ever heard of famous vlog? They started right where you are, creating content they love and now they are crushing it online. And the cool thing with this side hustle is that it does not require any knowledge at all. You just need to have a phone and a reliable internet connection. Magic tool? YouTube. You can share your passion, educate others, or just have fun online. Of course, there are some requirements to turn your views into cash. First, you need to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And you can achieve this easily through dedication and killer content strategy. And monetization can become a reality. The next thing that you can make money online as a student is that you can sell your study notes. Now let's face it. You've probably got a gold mine of information tucked away in those notebooks. First, you need to have a course summary or study notes. Then you'll be uploading those course summaries on this website. And the next thing you need to do is that you have to create an account on this website, and simply when students buy your study notes, this website will be paying you. And we have many platforms for selling notes. Of course, those platforms usually have some criteria regarding the quality and format of your notes. But hey, if you are an S student with organized notes, you could be making some serious cash on this website. So my fellow students, what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then search for these study notes websites that buys summaries and notes. Then you can sign up to these websites and then submit your study notes. Once you will be approved, you will be making money on this website. Now feeling like a wordsmith? Then start a blog. Now while in school, you can write about anything you are passionate about. Travel, music, or even your epic dorm room. Decorating skills, the possibilities are endless. Now the best thing with blogging is that once you have a solid audience, you can explore affiliate marketing. Basically, you can recommend products that you genuinely love. And when someone clicks on your link, you can end up earning a commission on those products that they purchase. We have many affiliate program networks that you can join as a student. We have Amazon Associate, we have Rakuten, we have also CJ Affiliate. You can promote products from these networks and earn a commission. So what you need to do is that you can find one that fits your niche. Now with the creativity and the dedication, your blog could become your real money maker. So my lovely student, do you have a knack for crafting compelling stories? Then article writing job might be your perfect fit. Businesses are constantly looking for fresh content, and your writing skill could be just what they need. Sites like Guru, Fiverr, People Per Hour, and ProBlogger connects writers with content-hungry companies. It is a great way to hone your writing skills and earn some cash. And the best thing with writing is that anybody can venture into this field. Graphic designs is an exploding field. You can create business cards, brands, identifiers, or even design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails and charge a good amount of money on this service. Softwares like Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator are industry standards, but you can also use platforms like Canva. Then hop on freelance websites such as Fiverr and Upwork to land your first design gig. Now the next side hustle that you can venture in as a student is that you can become a video editor. Most of students have laptops on their hands, so why not edit videos for others? You can use free video editing software such as CapCut and DaVinci. Freelance websites are brimming with YouTubers and business looking for talented editors. And they are a ton of freelance websites for video editing jobs such as Fiverr and dfydev.com. With little practice and an eye for detail, you can carve out your niche into editing world. So if you are a student out there and then you want to make money online, you can start video editing job. Now, as a student out there, you can also become a web designer. Platforms like WordPress make building websites more accessible than ever. Learn the ropes, build a portfolio, and offer a web design services to business or individuals. This is a fantastic skill to master both for online income and a future career perspective. So my lovely friends, if you want to make money online as a student, you can also venture into web design. We have a lot of companies and businesses that are looking for web designers in your local area. So if you can master these skills of web designing, you can be making a good amount of money where you are right now as a student, and you can end up paying school fees for the next year or where you are, and you can be living in a bigger or a good mansion if you take these things serious. So my lovely fellow students, these are just a few ideas to get you started. Pick one, dedicate yourself to it. Watch online empire grow. Remember, success takes time and effort. But with the right mindset, you can achieve amazing thing out there. Now go out there and make money. So please, my fellow students, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go on and do so that any video about money making tips that I will be uploading on YouTube, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. God bless you. Bye.